Stop, look what Pip found in the tall grass. It is a mystery box. What is inside? Let's find out together. First, we need to tap the box. Tap, tap, tap. Look, it is a big yellow ball. Pip is so excited. He wiggles his tail. Now Pip wants to play. Can you say, "Play with Pip"? He is a very happy puppy. Do you want to see what is in the next box? Tell me in the comments. Oh, wait. It looks like there's another box right behind the first one. This one is blue with sparkly stars. What could be inside this one? It feels a little heavier. Let's try shaking it. Shake, shake, shake. It makes a funny rattling sound. What makes a sound like that? Maybe it's a bunch of small toys. Or maybe it's a special puppy treat puzzle. Let's ask Pip what he thinks. Pip is sniffing the box very carefully. His nose is twitching. He thinks it smells delicious. Okay, are you ready to open it? Let's all tap the screen 3 times to open the blue box. 1, 2, 3. Wow, look at that! It's a brand new squeaky toy shaped like a bone. Squeak, squeak, squeak. Pip is jumping up and down. He loves squeaky toys. Good job, everyone. You helped Pip find a new favorite toy. Hold on. I see something else peeking out from behind a big flower. It's another box. This one is so tiny. It's a little red box with a green ribbon on top. It looks like a little present. It's so small. I wonder what could possibly fit inside. Maybe it's a tiny bell for Pip's collar. Or a super special, extra yummy puppy biscuit. This is the most mysterious box of all. Let's try to open this one very, very gently. We don't want to break what's inside. Let's whisper the magic words. Open, little box. Open, little box. It's starting to open. It's a shiny new name tag for Pip's collar. It's shaped like a heart, and it has his name on it. Pip. Now everyone will know his name. He looks so proud. He is wagging his tail so fast, his whole body is wiggling. What a fantastic surprise! You all are such great helpers. Pip has a new ball, a new squeaky bone, and a brand new name tag. But guess what? I think I see one more box, and it's the biggest one yet. It's way over there, next to the big oak tree. It's a huge rainbow-colored box. It must have something amazing inside. 2. Open this one. We need everyone's help. I want you to clap your hands 3 times as loud as you can. Ready? 1, 2, 3. The box is rumbling. It's shaking. Watersy. Oh my goodness. It's full of colorful bubbles. The lid popped off and bubbles are floating everywhere. Look at them float in the air. Pip is trying to catch them. Pop, pop, pop. Hugh's chasing the bubbles and having so much fun. Bubbles are flying everywhere, and Pip is the happiest puppy in the world. What a fun day of surprises. We found 4 mystery boxes and 4 amazing treasures for Pip. A yellow ball, a squeaky bone, a heart-shaped tag, and a giant box of bubbles. Pip had the best day ever, all thanks to you, Bits. Every time you tapped, clapped, and helped us open a box, you made him so happy. Look at him now, all tired out from playing. He's ready for a nice long puppy nap. What do you think we should look for with Pip next time? Maybe we can explore the forest or visit the beach. Let us know in the comments what kind of adventure you want to have with Pip. Thanks for playing with us today. Delone, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss our next adventure. BRB.